Hi guys, today we are exploring nature. So let's look for our first thing. So this is grass. It's green and grows every summer. Then that's rocks.
They hurt. They hurt.
Then this is the whole outside. That's a tree over there.
With no leaves.
And that's a car. And here the grass is more greener.
Yeah, because it's spray.
Let's go on the sidewalk. And this is a sewer.
Ew.
And these are the generators. And these are people's houses. And here's Aya.
Hello.
Make sure you like and subscribe. And here is the pond.
Comment if you like nature.
Then these are people's balcony. And these are the apartments, these are the lakes. And this is Texas, by the way. And we are walking on concrete. That's my shadow.
My shadow.
You tell. More cars.
And this is the fences, so if we...
In case... Oh, there's a black thing pot over there.
That's the rules.
We're going to speed walk over that pond. So bye. So in the way we found a branch. Since there was fall recently, the fall leaves fall.
No, it was winter recently.
So bye again. Now we reached the pond. The water flows here. And there's a bridge and the water goes.
Oh look, there's a bird.
Let's go closer. Okay.
Hey, we were falling into water. Guys, it's a good.
There's a crow. Hi.
Hi.
So then the water. Oh, no crossing the bridge. And there's all the stuff. And here's the whole area.
Oh, there's another electricity.
See that thing over there in the middle?
It's the fountain. It used to produce water.
Oh, look, there are weeds.
Or the water is. Oh, is that tadpoles?
Ah, my crock hurts.
They're back on the top.
And there's still some more rocks. There's still trees.
Oh, look, there's a plane.
Ah,
There's a
yeah.
plane up there.
Oh, there's a plane over there. Bye, plane.
Bye, plane.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Guys, we noticed something cool when we were walking. Guys, it's Rock. Dwayne Johnson. What? Bushes.
There's fans that gives dirty air.
Oh, it's a fire ant hill. Look at this view.
Amazing.
So we continued walking. A no fishing sign.
Now, fishing lesson.
Look at our shadows, it's getting longer.
Oh, there's a playground out there.
There are cherries. There are cherries over here.
Because they're gone because it's rain. Oh, look.
Oh, bees.
They're getting pollen. They're getting pollen. Hey, watch out.
Look.
Oh, watch out. There's a,
Oh,
there's an air station.
there are like these playstations everywhere. There's one over there. And there's one over here. It says, grasping both bars, lift your feet off the ground. Bend knees and cross your ankles. Slowly lower and lift your body in a dipping motion. And this is how Ion does it. You're having fun so far. So, here's...
I don't know why.
You look both ways and walk.
I don't ever look both ways.
And this is the school side.
This is our school. Oh, look at that big.
So we are going to our school right now there. I know the fence is blocking some of it. So the grass, and this is another community. And this is our community.
The fences.
The wall is blocking all of that.
That wall is closed.
So we need to walk 1 more mile. So let's get going. Oh, I see the school right now. Look. So we're going to continue when we show up there. Bye. So this is the school. This is our school. I go to this school and soon I'm going to go to middle school next year.
Soon we are not going to be in the same school.
But Ian is still in there.
I'm
So
going to be
long way
Joker.
to go.
There is the school zone.
But there's nobody at the park.
I see a person on the swing.
So that's the park all the way over there. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. And you could get more content. We're going to see you there again. Bye. So this is a more clear view of our school. And this is the back door. The front is all the way in the front.
We're almost there.
Guys, I have a joke. What do you call a group of fish? A school. Joking. Okay, we're going to see you when we reach the park. Bye.
Bye.
I'm on the school zebra crossing.